Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Dum Aloo, a very flavorful and lip-smacking potato curry from Kashmir, bursting with flavors. Potatoes are crisp fried to lend a very delicate and melt-in-mouth texture and a gorgeous lush red in color. It's a bite of crisp-looking yet soft potatoes laced with Kashmiri hot spices. So let's get started. For making this delightful curry, I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt, or according to your taste, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, less than half teaspoon asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, and half a teaspoon of homemade garam masala. Around 1 kg of potatoes, medium size, preferably same size, and 1 cup of oil. Now in a pan I have taken potatoes with water. We have to boil them till they are soft. So after 15 minutes of boiling, I'll take one potato and check with a knife whether they are soft. So here you can see they are soft. So I'll turn off the flame and let them cool down and then peel them. After peeling, we have to make holes with a fork or toothpick. I have taken toothpick and we have to make holes on all sides of potatoes. So here you can see I'm making holes on potatoes. This will help them to cook properly and spices will go inside the potatoes. Our poked potatoes are ready and they are ready to get fried. Now in a pan I have heated up a cup of oil and added potatoes to it. On low flame we have to fry them. That's very important, that we have to keep low flame and we have to fry them. It will take around 20 to 25 minutes on low flame to get them fried. You can turn them in between. So these 2 potatoes are ready. So like this we have to fry them. They will be very crisp on the surface. You need to be patient with frying so that all the potatoes are fried properly on all sides. Once they are fried, we wait for them to cool down. Now once they are cold, I will again poke them with a toothpick. This is an optional step, but it really helps them to get cooked well and spices will go inside the potatoes. So here you can see I'm poking them again. Now in a pan I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil and I add all the whole spices, bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves, green cardamom, black cardamom. Saute them. And then add red chili powder. Mix and then add 2 tablespoons of water. This way the spices won't burn. And then add turmeric powder, fennel seed powder, asafoetida, ginger powder and garam masala. Mix. And right now the flame is low. Mix properly and then add fried potatoes. Mix properly and then add water. I am adding 1.5 cup of water. The gravy should cover all the potatoes. Add salt and boil it on high flame for a minute and then cover and keep it on low flame for around 20 to 30 minutes. So this is the main thing, that potatoes will get cooked on low flame. Curd can also be added to this dish to give it a bit tangy taste and reduce the heat of spices. So after 30 minutes on low flame, dum aloo are ready. This much gravy is fine for dum aloo, so I'll dish them out. Dum Aloo is a perfect sunshine Kashmiri veg dish wrapped in Kashmiri hot spices and marvelous in taste. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Subscribe to my channel and keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.